What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo from the BTNHD, and yes, we're continuing our configuration on the PowerEdge R620. I think the first video we took care of the unboxing. Second video we took care of configuring the Dell Remote Access Controller port. On the third video we took care of BIOS and firmware, and today is all about configuring the RAID system together. And let's get right into it. All right, so today together we are going to configure the RAID configuration on the R620. I'm going to take advantage of the Dell Remote Access Controller port that we configured together because it just makes life much easier. All right, so I'm inside this nice little environment, the Lifecycle Controller. We already did the remote access together. We need to do that third option, configure the RAID. So click on it. And you're going to get this 5 steps. First step, make sure that your controller is inserted firmly into the motherboard. One viewer out there left an awesome comment on the unboxing and said, make sure that the controller, the RAID controller, is firmly inserted inside the motherboard, because he had a good eye. I have bad eyesight because that's why I wear glasses. When he saw the unboxing, he saw during the BIOS that the RAID controller wasn't present. And I opened it up. And long and behold, the RAID controller was not firmly inserted inside the motherboard. So make sure that's inserted inside the motherboard for it to show up. Boom. Pick it. Click on next. Now, step 2, pick the RAID level. I was debating over RAID 5 or RAID 10. The reason why I was debating, a lot of you guys said, come on, it's an easy choice. Go to RAID 10. I understand that. But when you do RAID 5, you get a little bit more storage. With the hard drives that I have, plus the amount of hard drives that I have, with a RAID 5, it was going to give me around 2.10 terabytes. That is a lot of space, you know what I'm saying? And plus, I had 64 gigs, 2 processors. It was just like, wow, a lot of space, a lot of virtual machines. I could go at it. But I went with my gut feeling because I know a lot of you guys are going to leave an angry comment. You should have done RAID 10, Bernardo. You should have done RAID 10. So that's what I picked. I picked RAID 10, and I clicked on next. Even though RAID 10 is going to give me around 1.10 terabytes, that is not that bad, and I could deal with it. Step 3, pick your physical drives. I'm going to click on select all. I'm going to select all 8 of my drives. Yeah, 8 drives. Yes, 8 drives on the R620. Click next here. Let's go back on step 3. You are able to configure the protocol, the media type, and also the encryption capabilities, as well as the span length on these hard drives. I left everything as the default right now. And then let's click on next. Step 4, give your virtual disk a name. I gave it BTNHD storage, right? Makes sense. You are able to configure your read policy and write policy. I left everything as the default. You're also able to secure your disk. Also assign a hot spare if you have one available, and also enable T10 protection information. I left everything as unchecked and clicked on next. Step 5 is the easiest one. It is a summary of everything that we are going to do. Size is going to give me around 115 terabytes, which is not that bad. I could deal with it. And I am not going to install the operating system inside this storage. I'm actually going to install the operating system inside a flash drive, which that is going to be on the next video. So make sure you check that out. Stay tuned, right? All right. Click on finish. You get a nice little warning. Click yes on that. It is going to start processing, wiping everything clean, combining all those hard drives together to make one solid hard drive for us to use later on. And once everything is done, you're going to get this nice little green check mark stating successfully completed the RAID operation. Awesome. Click OK, reboot your machine, and then you're good to go. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell to get the latest and greatest from this guy. And I catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.